and with the low beam it looks like that. On one side, and then reverse light and the brake light, low beam, high beam, low beam. That's the low beam and that's the high beam. Hello guys, welcome back to Dual Mode Auto channel, and like you guys see, today we have Volkswagen T-Cross 2023 1 liter TSI, and we will make the lights video, whole video about the lights, about the headlights, about the tail lights, hazard lights, interior exterior lights, all the lights. So yeah, without the further ado, let's start it. So yeah, in the front we can start from the headlights. So yeah, like you guys see, we have the low beam on, and with the low beam it looks like that, from the distance. And let's check the close range now. That's the low beam from the close range. One side, let's check the another side, the low beam from another side. Yeah. And we can check the high beam straight away. And that's our high beam. So the high beam looks like that. The high beam looks like that. I can place the camera over here and we can check it. I can show you guys the low and high beam, how it looks like. That's the low beam. And that's the high beam, that's the low beam, high beam, and low beam. Yeah. So yeah, done with the headlights. Let's check the tail lights now. How the tail lights looks at night. And that's our tail lights. Let's check it from the long distance now. Nice visible tail light. Let's check it from the close range now. That's how it looks like from the close range on one side, and that's from the close range from another side. Yeah. So yeah, that's our tail lights, and let's switch on the hazard lights now. Okay, let's make 360 with the hazard lights. So yeah, the mirrors looks like that. I really like them. The indicators looks very nice in the mirrors. Looks really cool. And in the front, the hazard lights, the indicators looks like that. So in the front and in the mirror together, nice. Looks really cool like that. Let's check the other side. Like that, the mirror and in the front. And let's check it from the longer distance now. Yeah, looks nice. It looks nice. Yeah, and we can check the tail lights, how it looks like with the hazard lights on. And that's our hazard light. And the them in the back. Cool, looks very cool. Close range. Looks very nice. Really like it. So that's the left side, and longer distance looks like that. And the other side. And that's, let's check the close range. Cool. Very visible, seriously. Very visible. That's nice. And okay, I have an idea. We can check the reverse light. I will switch off the hazard light. And we can check the reverse light now. We can check the reverse light and the brake light. So yeah, let's switch on the reverse gear and the braking pedal, and that's our reverse light. And braking, that's how it looks like when we're driving. I can try to drive a little bit slowly. So yeah, the reverse light and the brake light. Reverse light and the brake light. And this is how it looks like when we're driving backwards. When we're driving, it looks like that. One more time. Maybe can try it a little bit more to drive it slowly backwards. Yeah, so this is how it looks like when we're driving in the reverse gear. And yeah, done with it. Yeah, that's our tail light from the long distance. And let's check the interior. We are done with the exterior, and let's jump in and check the interior, how it looks like. First impressions. We have some nice light over here on the buttons for the windows and the mirrors. Really nice, visible. Yeah, let's jump inside. So yeah, it looks like that. It looks like that. Buttons for the windows, mirrors. Lock, unlock the doors. Very visible. Seriously, all the physical buttons, like you see, guys, very visible in this Volkswagen T-Cross 2023. And it is the live trim. Yes, so the steering wheel. This is how very visible, seriously, very easy to see it at night. Like you see, guys. Cruise control and volume buttons here. Very easy to see it at night. And some adjustments over here. Switch the radio stations, the tunes. Nice. Very visible. The dashboard looks like that at night. Ah, nice. Visible too. Okay, our light adjustments are over here as well. Nice, easy to see it at night too. Yeah, infotainment display with one physical button and some touch touch fields. Yeah, very responsive navigation. Yeah, but like you guys see, very visible at night, easy to see it. If I switch on the light out. Yeah, very easy to see it. Yeah, let's continue. And our airflow temperature, and we have over here, we have just 3 physical buttons: hazard lights, parking, and that auto. That's this system which one turns off the engine while we're stopping next to the traffic light. Yeah, so 3 physical buttons. Rest of it, this is the touch area, and this is most for me. I can zoom in. This is the most annoying part of this car. Looks nice, seriously. If I switch off the light, look guys, looks nice and very visible at night, but anyways, it's not so comfortable, you know. This is touchscreen, and this is very annoying, you know. It's very hard to understand it at night. At night in general, I mean, if you're looking at to the road and cannot feel the physical buttons, you need to touch it, and yeah, you just need to look at this. So yeah, not so comfortable, but yeah, but to see it at night, very easy to see it. And this is our this is our gearbox. So yeah, very easy to see it as well. PR and DS. No, and what else do we have? We have some lights here. Yeah, we have 2 of them. Nice. So we have 2 lights here. We have, no, we don't have any light here, and we don't have any light here. We have just 1 button for a passenger to adjust the window. So yeah, basically that's all. What do we have in the front? Some physical buttons over here, but very easy to see it, very comfortable, seriously. Very good lighting, some door locks, some buttons here, and some light adjustment over here. Physical buttons, very nice physical buttons on the steering wheel, our digital dashboard, and our infotainment system. Like, very nice, easy to see it, and just this annoying touch screen, but easy to see it as well, but it's not so comfortable while driving. But yeah, anyways, very easy to see it. Yeah, done with the interior in the front. Let's jump in on the back seats. Yeah, maybe from another side. So yeah, let's jump on the back seats. So yeah, we open the doors and the light is on. Oh yeah, that's 2 lights on. So how it looks like. Oh yeah, 2 USB ports over here. So yeah, it looks like that. So we have 1 button for the window for the right, and 1 for the on the left side for the left passenger. But yeah, it looks. So we have 2 lights over here. Yeah, 1 and 2. And this is the view from the. Yeah, some like at night, it's like really good visibility in this car inside. Looks nice. Looks nice at night. Very visible, the airflow and the temperature control, very visible. But it's just annoying that it's touchscreen over there. But yeah, so that's all basically. 2 lights over here and 2 buttons for 2 passengers in the back seats. Yeah, and we have some light over here for the USB. Yeah, let's check the trunk. How the trunk looks like. Do we have some light over here? Yeah, we have 1 light over here. Yeah, but it looks like it's enough. Look, it's good visibility here. Yeah, it is more than enough. 1, no lights over here, bit like that. See guys, enough light in the trunk. Yeah, Done with the trunk. So let's switch on the hazard lights for the last time and make a last 360. So we see how does it look like. Oh yeah, I can show you guys from the inside. Sure. The look, the low beam, or in general almost no light. Low beam, almost nothing. Low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, and low beam, and last time high beam and low beam. And yeah, let's check with those hazard lights last time, 360 around the car, how it looks like. Yeah, straight away the mirror looks cool with those nice hazard lights indicators. So yeah, quick 360. Long distance, bam, like that. From one side, looks like that. Nice, nice, nice. Those mirrors, I like how they're flashing. And the tail lights. Cool. Yeah, the tail lights and the hazard lights. And the mirror again. That looks very nice. I like it. I really like it. And yeah, guys, that was all. We checked the interior. Okay, we started from the exterior. So we checked the low, we checked the high beam, we checked the hazard lights, we checked the tail lights, and then we checked the interior, the front seats, the back seats, and the trunk. And that's probably all. We do not have any more lights over here. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.